pleuritic chest pain with breathlessness and hemoptysis, and on X-ray there is wedge-shaped opacity with its concave convexity towards the hilum called Hampton's hump. The diagnosis is pulmonary infarction. A patient with sore throat, difficulty in swallowing, and sensation of lump with X-ray showing elongated sterile process. The diagnosis is Eagle's syndrome. Linear accelerator is a teletherapy device which uses X-rays and electrons for radiotherapy. Iohexol is a low osmolar non-ionic dye preferred for esophageal perforation. D-dimer test is useful for screening of pulmonary embolism. CTPA is the investigation of choice for pulmonary embolism. Right on diffusion weighted MRI are following: epidermoid cyst of brain, acute infarct of brain, and abscess. Progressive dyspnea since 1 year, and HRCT reveals basal reticular pattern with areas of honeycombing along with traction bronchiectasis. All these points to usual interstitial pneumonia, which has poor prognosis. If there is ground glass opacity with subpleural sparing, we would say non-specific interstitial pneumonia. Sausage-shaped pancreas is seen in autoimmune pancreatitis. Hyperechoic foci scattered along the pancreas in chronic pancreatitis. Investigation of choice is MRCP, but best in is endoscopic USG. Investigation of choice for PVL is diffusion weighted MRI. Bilateral vagotomy causes total loss of primary esophageal peristalsis. The site of maximum water reabsorption is jejunum. Investigation of choice for intraocular foreign body is CT scan. MRI is contraindicated. In young women with breast lump, USG is investigation of choice. Routine screening for DCIS is mammography. In high risk genetically predisposed, MRI is investigation of choice. Cardiac widening, auricular bulge, double atrial density is characteristic of rheumatoid heart disease. Box-shaped heart is seen in Epstein anomaly. Egg-on-string heart is seen in transposition of great arteries TGA. Vertebra plana is seen in Langerhans cell histiocytosis. Recognized features of infectious mononucleosis are palatal petechial hemorrhages, aseptic meningitis with lymphadenopathy and fever, raised aspartate aminotransferase. Cardiac conditions associated with SLE are pericarditis and myocarditis with LVH, angina, and costochondritis. Guillain-Barré syndrome is characterized by ascending paralysis preceded by exposure to toxins, sensory involvement, and polyneuropathy with areflexia. Ataxia telangiectasia is an autosomal recessive condition characterized by increased chromosomal fragility. Romanas sign is seen in American trypanosomiasis, characterized by firm red swelling over the eyelid. Syndrome with contralateral hemiplegia with 6th and 7th cranial nerve palsy is called Millard-Gubler syndrome. Measles is a form of encephalitis followed by neuroimmunological response. Progressive atrophy of the hemisphere on MRI in a 2-year-old child having epilepsy, which is refractory to medical treatment. Diagnosis is Rasmussen encephalitis. Sumi brace is also used for cervical immobilization. Foot drop is common in common peroneal nerve or sciatic nerve palsy. Splint used is toe raising splint. Chondromalacia patella is the most common cause of anterior knee pain. The pain worsens with squatting and crossed leg sitting. Treatment is arthroscopic plica excision. COVID-19 investigation on mild cases at home and repeat after 7 to 8 days. CBC and NLR neutrophil and lymphocyte ratio. CRP D-dimer, which is very important, repeat after 3 days, and blood sugar. Additional investigation in moderate to severe cases of COVID-19. CT chest, interleukin 6, ferritin, LDH, RFT, and LFT. Features of pneumonia: temperatures more than 101 degree Fahrenheit, rapid rise of CRP, persistent cough, and 5% in SpO2 after 6-minute walk, 5-minute fall in SpO2 after 6-minute walk. Secretory phase will show following: subnuclear vacuoles, first evidence of progesterone secretion, corkscrew glands, and stromal edema. Proliferative phase due to hormone estrogen, pseudostratification, and long tubular glands. Costophrenic angle blunting can be seen in pleural effusion and emphysema. Tuberculate macrogonadia and microgonadia with single budding each cells are seen in Histoplasma capsulatum. Chest X-ray of Histoplasma capsulatum resembles tuberculosis. Ego's defense mechanism undergoing is typically seen in obsessive compulsive neurosis. Displacement and inhibition are defense mechanisms seen in phobia. Regression is an immature defense mechanism. Isolation, reaction formation, and undoing are neurotic defense mechanisms. Psychotic defense mechanisms are projection and denial. Repression excludes painful stimuli from awareness. Thalamus is the largest part of diencephalon, provides sensory gateway to cerebral cortex. A child took several doses of iron. The antidote of poisoning is desferrioxamine. A pregnant female with burning maturation, the diagnosis of cystitis was made. Amoxicillin is the drug of choice. A mother delivered 33-week-old baby via normal vaginal delivery with no complication. The preferred method of feeding with the neonate is Paladai feeds, Katori spoon. Early diastolic murmur is called Graham-Stein murmur, seen in PAH. Mid-diastolic murmur is called Austin-Flint murmur, seen in severe AR. Late diastolic murmur is called Carey-Combe murmur, seen in RHD. Continuous murmur is seen in coarctation of aorta, patent ductus arteriosus, and peripheral pulmonary stenosis. Early systolic murmur are seen in pulmonary stenosis, aortic stenosis, and HOCM. Pansystolic murmur are seen in MR, TR, and VSD. Late systolic murmur are seen in mitral valve prolapse. Tamoxifen increases the risk of endometrial cancer in postmenopausal women. Ansa cervicalis is used for reconstruction of recurrent laryngeal nerve. MELD score includes CBI, creatinine, bilirubin, and INR. PELD score includes BANIA, bilirubin, albumin, nutrition, INR, and age. The gold standard for investigation of sphincter of Oddi dysfunction is ERCP with manometry of biliary and pancreatic sphincters. Niti Aayog has replaced National Planning Commission on 1st of January 2015. Niti is National Institute of Transforming India. Asha worker is 25 to 45 years of age. She reports to Gram Panchayat or Gram Sabha. She receives training of 23 days and her major function is to reduce the infant mortality. Current neonatal mortality rate in India is 24, which implies 24 neonatal deaths in India for 1000 live births. This is about COVID-19 investigations, HRCT, CRP, interleukin 6, CORAD score, D-dimer, and about NLR. There is also details about ferritin, LDH, and ESR. Please have a look. Emphysematous pyelonephritis is characterized by presence of ring of air around or within the kidney. Earliest sign of renal tuberculosis on IVP is moth-eaten calyx. In unilateral hydronephrosis, there is Dieter's crisis. For non-dilatable stricture of lower third of ureter, Boris operation should be done. Kidney filled with cheesy material called putty kidney is seen in genitourinary tuberculosis. E. coli is most common organism of spontaneous bacterial peritonitis in adults, while group A streptococci is most common in children. For chronic renal failure, patients who cannot afford dialysis or renal transplant, CAPD is done. Chyliolymphatic mesenteric cyst has independent vascular supply, so enucleation is done. Androgynous mesenteric cyst has shared blood supply, so resection and anastomosis is done. Pseudomyxoma peripetonei is caused by rupture of appendiceal and ovarian adenocarcinoma. Post-transplant lymphoproliferative disorder is associated with Epstein-Barr virus in B cells. The risk of acute dystonia is higher with typical antipsychotics like haloperidol. Side effect of valvular heart disease is seen with pergolide. Flumazenil is the benzodiazepine antagonist. Lithium used for euphoric mania. NMDA antagonist used in Alzheimer's disease is memantine. Anti-epileptic drug safe in lactation is valproic acid. The most effective drug against falciparum malaria is artesunate. Drug of choice for giardiasis is tinidazole. Drug used in Lepra reaction is clofazimine. Drug used for CMV infection is ganciclovir. Antihelminthic contraindicated in seizure disorder is piperazine. Ivermectin is indicated in Ascaris, filariasis, and onchocerciasis. Rosiglitazone is OHA not causing hypoglycemia. Chronic use of metformin leads to deficiency of vitamin B12. The iatrogenic effect of sulfonamides are anencephaly, coronary atresia, and diaphragmatic hernia, left ventricular outflow tract obstruction. Fluconazole teratogenic effect are abnormal facies and oral cleft. Valproate can cause neural tube defect and cardiovascular defect. Lithium can cause Epstein anomaly. Phenytoin can cause fetal hydantoid syndrome. Leflunomide can cause hydrocephalus. The teratogenic effect of fluoroquinones is cartilage growth defect. Thalidomide teratogenic effect is phocomelia, cranial nerve defect, and anorectal stenosis. Corticosteroids teratogenic effect is facial cleft, saddle nose, stippling of vertebra, and femoral epiphysis are seen as teratogenic effect of warfarin. Isotretinoin teratogenic effect is bilateral microtia, anorexia with stenosis of next external ear canal and flat depressed nasal bridge and ocular hyperthyroidism. Antiarrhythmic drug causing hypothyroidism is amiodarone. Glycopyrrolate is the anticholinergic drug most preferred for pre-anesthetic induction. Enflurane and sevoflurane are anesthetic agents associated with epilepsy. Placement of double lumen tube is best confirmed by fiber optic bronchoscopy. Salic maneuver is used to prevent aspiration of gastric contents. Bain circuit is malpleasant type D. It can be used for spontaneous respiration, controlled ventilation, and it is coaxial. Thank you.